poppin'? It's your girl Deja, aka Deja Vu, and I'm back here with another super dope amazing video. Long time no see. So I'm here to do another hair video because I haven't did one in a very long time, and that's a part of my channel. But I just freshly washed my hair. As y'all can see, my curls are slowly coming back or whatever. But my hair is very, very dry right now, and I don't really know why, but that's my texture or whatever. I guess it just takes time to get back to normal. But I just washed it with my coconut hibiscus curl and shine shampoo, silk protein or whatever. Yeah, this is like my second time using this shampoo from Shea Moisture. Y'all, it was fine. Okay, all the products at Family Dollar for Shea Moisture were $5. Like, I literally had to get it. I don't know if it was $5 because of the product or what they did to the product or whatever. I don't know what they did to the product, so I'm not gonna say that. But yeah, it was $5, y'all, and I'm like, I have to get it and try it to see how it is. But yeah, my hair is really dry right now. I don't know why. It's probably because before this I had in a whole lot of Eco Styler gel, and I haven't washed my hair in like 4 days, so that's probably why it's dry. But I'm about to do my deep conditioner protein treatment. You already know what I use in there. I use mayo, eggs, oil, my regular conditioners that I have this coconut oil. My mom is so freaking loud. Oh my gosh. I have this. Let me show you my new conditioner that I bought. So this is one of the conditioners that I'm going to use in my deep conditioner. This is the new one that I bought as well. It smells really good. It's 100% virgin coconut oil daily. I was about to say daily hydration conditioner. And then I also bought this as well to try this out. It's the coconut hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie. You know, I never tried it before. Everyone says it's super bomb, so I want to try that out. But yeah, I'm gonna put some I'm gonna do the deep condition in my hair, and then after I do the deep condition, I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it is. If y'all want to see what deep conditioner I make, you can click the video that's right there or whichever area it's in. You can click it to see what I use in my deep conditioner, how I make my deep conditioner, and then I'll be back to show y'all what my hair is looking like, and then we're gonna style. I think I'm gonna do a twist out today. Or Bantu nuts. We're gonna try Bantu nuts because my last twist out, I didn't really care for it that much. But yeah. Okay, so y'all, this is the deep conditioner in my hair. Ignore my background, that's wrong, but this is the deep conditioner in my hair. I just wanted to show y'all how my curls are slowly but surely reverting back. Yeah. Y'all know I'm supposed to be doing Bantu nuts in my hair, but I'm doing mom's hair right now. My hair is still conditioning, that conditioner, and I'm gonna do my Bantu nuts after I do hers. But I want to show y'all how I'm doing hers, and then I'm gonna show y'all the after effect with both of our hair. Y'all hear Mickey Mouse in the background because my nephew's watching it, but I'm just want to show y'all the few little steps first. So yesterday she had a twist out, but it didn't come out right, so now I'm doing Bantu nuts. So that's why I'm only adding water to her hair. You're gonna see I only add water, but I'm putting it in these big sections so it can be nice. But yeah, I'm only adding water. But the product that she used was this Pantene Gold Curl Defining Pudding. She used this product, so yeah. So what you do is, basically all I've been doing was adding water to this part, to her hair. Adding water to her hair. And then I've been like fingering it through. So this is that. So then I take this and just twist it. I twist it, twist this part, then you twist it around. Then boom, there you go. And then I just repeat the steps 1 through 3 all over her head. So I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done with her entire head, and then yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a sec. All right, y'all. So I just finished washing my hair. I just wanted y'all.
You was me?
Can you pause a little bit?
Oh, I didn't know I was here.
So I just washed my hair. I didn't use the Shea Moisture. Y'all, I went to Big Lots today. This Pantene sulfate-free shampoo, Pantene Gold Series. Y'all know it's usually like $10. They had it for $2 at Big Lots, and they had the conditioner for $3. I'm like, well, I'll have to get it. But yeah, I just washed my hair so y'all can see my natural curl pattern. It's coming back a little bit. But yeah, I'm about to put the Bantu knots in my hair right now. And after I put the Bantu knots in my hair, I'm going to show y'all my hair, and then I'm going to show y'all my mom's hair. And then we're going to show y'all our hair tomorrow. So yeah, I just wanted to update y'all, show y'all what my hair looking like. So yeah, I'm going to see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, it's the next day, and this is what my hair looks like. Oh, I look popping, no makeup. This is what my hair. This is my hair. Ma, come over here. Come over here. I'm about to take this out, y'all. My hair was hurting all night. Like, it was so tight, man. Like, this, y'all, I could not sleep for real. Like, I had to, like, I contemplated taking this out. I contemplated taking this out. I contemplated taking these out last night.
My parents be like, come here so they can
They be like,
come here
so I can slap you. That's so ignorant.
Why would I come here?
Why parents be like, come here so I can give you something to cry about?
You if you don't come here. Come here. Right now. You already gonna hit me.
Right, you already gonna hit me.
When?
This is mom's hair.
My knee hurt.
I did it. She wouldn't listen and let it dry last night. But
It's dry, Deja.
it's
I'm
her
really
hair.
cute, y'all, but my
Some
hair.
of them coming out. But I did it. Yeah.
Can you take it out now?
We gotta take it out, and I'm gonna show y'all after we take our hair out. So yeah, my skin.
Can you do my eyebrows?
Hey y'all, so this is my hair. It came out so cute. Look at mom's hair.
Hi, how do y'all like my hair? It's okay. I've never worn it like this, but Deja did it, so she cute. It's cute though, I guess. Thank you, Deja.
Alright y'all, so we on our way to my nephew party. That's why I got on my makeup or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my hair once again. This is how it turned out. I may vlog there a little bit, but I got my camera. Whoa. I got my camera to take some photos, so yeah. We'll see how it goes. But hope y'all like my hair, and hope y'all like my mom's hair.
Happy birthday. Mars, look at your grandma. Tamar, look at your grandma.
He's not looking.
Happy birthday.
Would you like to say anything? Would you like to say anything?
What's up? Happy birthday, son.
You're smiling! It's your birthday? It's your birthday?
I thought it was
It's your birthday!
what?
It's your birthday!
It's not your birthday. Who said that?
Why you like? Yes, there you go. Dance, baby. Sorry.
Girl, we can over you. I have no idea.
Why she goes from the
Mac and cheese!
Always start a great big happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy
What's good, y'all? So it's definitely a few days later from the party and from showing y'all all my hair. Excuse my makeup is fading away, but I went to audition today and it went really, really well. So yeah, hopefully we'll be hearing back from that audition. But yeah, the party was really cool. My hair came out really good. And as y'all can see, this is my hair a few days later. I'm about to put it probably in a puff or in like my 2 ponytails or whatever. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog slash video slash tutorial slash hair update. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch or share my previous videos with your friends and family. You catch a dog, I know the drill. Share everybody you love. So your girl, me, myself, and I, Deja Vu, can be popping. I love y'all so much, and I'll definitely see y'all in the next one.